Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to day 14 of Elevate, a 30-day journey to shift your mindset and change your life. I am so happy to have you here with me today. You guys, we are officially 2 weeks into this journey of growth and transformation, and I am so proud of you for showing up today. If this is your first video in the series, welcome. My name is Charlene Town. This journey is all about helping you step into the best version of yourself as we head into 2025. I encourage you to go back and start from day 1 to fully experience the transformation that we are building together. And don't forget to grab your Elevate calendar. It has journal prompts and mindfulness practices for each corresponding video. You'll find the link to download it in the description box down below. If you're enjoying this series, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Share this series with anyone who might benefit from it. Friends, family, anyone in need of positivity and growth. And don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know how you're doing so far. What transformations have you experienced? And feel free to spread some love and encouragement to others in the community. We are women supporting women, creating a safe space for positivity and growth. All right, without further ado, let's dive into today's topic, shadow work. Today we're going to explore something deep and transformative, shadow work. Shadow work is the practice of uncovering and embracing the parts of ourselves that we often suppress or hide. The thoughts, feelings, and experiences we might feel ashamed of, afraid of, or disconnected from. Think of your shadow as the parts of you that live in the subconscious. These parts might have been shaped by past experiences, societal expectations, or even your own self-perceptions, and a lot of it comes from childhood. Shadow work allows us to shine a light on these hidden parts and bring them into the open with compassion and understanding. Why is this important? Because when we deny and ignore our shadow, it can hold us back, leading us to self-sabotage, limiting beliefs, or unhealthy patterns. But when we embrace it, we unlock a deeper sense of self-awareness, healing, and personal growth. All right, you guys, we're going to get started with our shadow work practice. In order to do this, you're gonna wanna be in a quiet, comfortable area where you feel safe, and you're gonna need a mirror, and bring your journal, a pen, just something that you can jot down your thoughts afterwards. You can have a candle, you can have on some gentle music in the background. Anything that helps you feel grounded and present and in your body would be really helpful. And just make sure that you have some time to do this with me today. Get into a comfortable position, and we're gonna take a few deep breaths together, okay? To help calm your mind and calm your body. We're gonna inhale for a count of 4. We're gonna hold for a count of 4. We're gonna exhale for a count of 4, okay? And then we will hold for a count of 4 at the bottom. So it's box breathing, okay? I like to think of it as a box. So we're gonna inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4, inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4, okay? So box breathing is an incredible tool to help you get grounded, come back to your body. If you struggle with anxiety or racing thoughts, this technique is very, very helpful and will help you come back to the present moment. And it's like Xanax, but just with breathing, okay? So get into a comfortable position. We're gonna do a few rounds of this breathing technique together, and then we're gonna get started with our practice. With your eyes open or closed, breathe in for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold at the bottom for 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top, 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold at the bottom, 2, 3, 4. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. Hold at the bottom. 2, 3, 4. Last round. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold at the top. 2, 3, 4. Exhale for 2, 3, 4. Hold at the bottom. 2, 3, 4. Now allow your breathing to return to normal and really feel yourself grounded in this present moment. I hope you are feeling calm and grounded and ready for today's practice. Okay, so if you have a mirror, you can grab your mirror now. We're going to sit with our mirror and either look directly into your eyes. If you don't have a mirror or you don't feel safe doing that, feel free to just close or half close your eyes. Continue to breathe, and I want you to think about a moment in your life where you may have felt ashamed, afraid, or maybe judged yourself harshly. Gently bring that memory or feeling to the surface. Place your hand on your heart and feel it in your body. Silently or out loud, say, "It is okay to feel this. I am here for myself, and I will not judge this part of me." Sit with these feelings or in this discomfort for a moment longer. Say to yourself whatever it is that you need to hear. Imagine that you are your own best friend and you have so much love and compassion for yourself. Tell yourself what it is that you need to hear right now. You may take as long as you want, listening to your music or sitting in silence, practicing your breathing, and thinking of anything that you need to at this time. When you're ready, please feel free to pause the video and take time to process through these thoughts or feelings. And when you're ready, hit unpause and we will work through some journal prompts together. After you have completed your practice, open up your journal and I would like you to answer these questions. What is one part of myself that I have been hiding or avoiding? What experience or belief led me to suppress this part of myself? How has this shadow impacted my life, my relationships, my habits, or my self-talk? What would it feel like to embrace this part of myself with compassion instead of judgment? What can I say to this shadow part to let it know that it is safe and loved? How can I integrate this shadow into my life moving forward in a way that feels healthy and empowering? I encourage you to take some time now or a little bit later today to answer these questions. Oftentimes, our self-sabotage and the things that are holding us back from achieving our goals, our dreams, getting to where we really want to be is due to these shadow sides of ourselves that we don't want to look at, that we don't want to admit that we have. And so opening ourselves up and shining a light on these areas that are harder for us to love will help us move forward and be able to create new healthy habits and support ourselves, knowing how to support ourselves, if that makes sense. So take some time to dig into this, and when you're ready, I've got some affirmations for you. So you can say them with me out loud, or you can write them down in your journal. Again, you can write them down on Post-it notes and put them on your mirror, or anywhere in your house or your car or at work, anywhere that you're gonna see them often, because as often as we can change the script that's constantly running in our mind, the faster we will get to where we really wanna be, because we are reprogramming our mind to believe that we are worthy of the life and the body and everything that we desire. Okay, so grab your journal or say these out loud with me. You can always come back to this video, but let's do some affirmations together, okay? I embrace all parts of myself with love and compassion. My shadows are not flaws. They are a part of my humanity. I release judgment and welcome self-acceptance. I am safe to explore and heal the deeper parts of myself. Through self-awareness, I step into my full power. I encourage you to take a moment to sit with everything that came up for you today. Shadow work is not easy, but it is so transformative. You're doing an amazing job by showing up for yourself, even when it feels hard. Remember, this is a safe place, and it's okay to take your time with this practice. If you loved today's session, it would mean the world to me if you would give this video a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss tomorrow's video. Comment below to share your thoughts or encourage someone else in our beautiful community. Let's continue to uplift and support one another on this journey. Thank you so much for being here and for allowing yourself to grow. Tomorrow, we'll focus on self-reflection and gratitude. I can't wait to see you then. You're doing so well, beautiful souls. Keep going, and I will see you tomorrow for day 15.